This is a highly requested video. What's up, people? It's your boy Prod.Og, and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to clone yourself. Like, believe it or not, like, people ask me this every day. How are you in two places at one time? Like, is this you or do you have a twin? Like, so there are a few things that you will need in order to make a clean clone of yourself. First, you're gonna need a device, a recording device. Have a phone. I'm sure most of y'all watching do. Then you wanna make sure you got good lighting. So I don't know, turn on all the lights in your house or something so that we can, see what's going on in the video. We need to be able to see, okay? The next important thing next to light is space. Please give yourself enough space to be a clone, all right? Because you can't overlap yourself, or else it's just not gonna look good. It's gonna look horrible. It's not gonna look realistic. And the goal is to look realistic. So phone, tripod. Did I even say tripod? I didn't. That was the next one. You also need a tripod. You need something, a placeholder, something that's gonna keep your phone in a specific position, because positioning is very important when you're trying to clone yourself, okay? Because if you are on a tripod and then you move the tripod like this a little bit, like, you see what I'm saying? Like, it's a little bit off. You need to keep that tripod still. You don't necessarily need a tripod. You just need to make sure you keep your phone still. So yes, a tripod is very important if you want to have a clean clone. So make sure you have that. What's the next thing? What else is important? Videoleap. Okay, so yes, that's what you need. You just need those, was that 5 things? Phone, lighting, space, tripod, Videoleap. Oh, and also there are other editing apps that you can use other than Videoleap, but this is just what I use, and this is what I'm teaching y'all on. Period. Yes, high five! Why I laugh like Perdisha / Squidward / Nicki Minaj. Let's not. Let's just get into this so that you know what to do. So first things first, open Videoleap, and you're gonna see an orange square or red square, however you see it, with a plus sign on it. Click that because that's where you go to find your footage that you used, that you recorded. Of course, you were supposed to record yourself, right? Yeah. So click on it. This is the video of the behind the scenes footage that I had. This is me holding a conversation with myself in 2 different areas of the couch. I know it sounds a little weird. I mean, it looks a little weird, but this is what you got to do if you want to be a clone, period. So right now in the video, I'm just scrolling through my footage and I'm trimming it, Trimming is when you just cut out the parts of the videos that's like useless, that you don't need. So as you can see, if you have eyeballs, I sat on 2 different sides of the couch for a reason, because I'm playing as 2 different people on 2 different sides. You can't be in the same spot as somebody else at the same time. So that's the same thing with this cloning thing, all right? It all makes sense. It all ties in. So after I trimmed down my footage, I split my footage to the point right before I walked over to the other side of the couch. And now that I split my video, it's like I have 2 separate videos, and I can bring that other separate clip up to the top now. The reason I'm bringing this clip to the top is because this is the other part of the footage of me sitting on the other side of the couch. Oh, and if you ever make a quick little mistake, don't hesitate to click that little undo button right there. Okay, so after I split my clip and I brought the other part of it up to the very top, I now aligned it perfectly over the first portion of the footage. The reason you have to do this is because they're supposed to be taking place at the same time. So you put one part of the footage over top of the other part of the footage. Now this is where the action happens. On this bottom icon bar below, you want to click on mask. That's the feature right there that gives you the ability to clone. And for the record, you can only mask footage that is in the mixer. If you don't know what the mixer is, it's just the footage that's on top of the other footage. So y'all remember how earlier, before I split my footage in half, it was only 1 piece of footage. That's what you would call a clip. And if you add more footage while editing and you drag it to the top of your initial footage, that's what you call the mixer. So now you know what a clip in a mixer is. After you click your footage that is on top, you can now tap the mask button. And when you tap the mask button, there's going to be different types of mask formats that you can choose from. Linear is a straight line. You see me playing around with it right now on the screen. And as you can see on the bottom status bar, you see other ones such as mirror, radial, rectangle, and invert. You get to choose which one you want, but normally I like to use linear, all depending on how many people I have in the clip. But since I'm only showing you guys a video of 2 of me instead of like multiple of me, I'm gonna be using linear. So sometimes when you click linear, it don't be aligned right. You just need to spin it around a little bit. You see what I just did? Yeah, experiment with it. So now all you gotta do is put the mask line perfectly in between you and yourself. You can tap and slide either arrow on either side to blend the clips. And there you have it. You cloned yourself. Or I clone myself again. So yeah, that's how you clone yourself. It's really simple. It might not seem that simple the first time you try it, but I promise you will get better the more you try it. I really hope this video was helpful to you, the people that's watching, the people that want to learn how to clone themselves using Videoleap. If it wasn't, just comment below and let me know where I wasn't that clear on something that I could probably be a little bit more clear on so that you guys know how to do this. I want you guys to be able to do this. Y'all been asking me for a long time and I've been procrastinating putting this video out. So now it's out. Rewind, watch it again until you understand it. And like I said, if you just really feel like I missed out on something that was really important and vital, comment below and let me know. And if this video did help you out, give it a thumbs up and let me know how it helped you. And I would love to see you guys, actually incorporate this in your videos. But I love y'all so much. Thank you for coming in. Thank you for tuning in to this video. And yeah, I hope you have a good night. Hey, what's going on, Prod Squad? New members and old members, I love y'all so much. And thank you so much, like really, for all the support that you show. Your feedback is really important to me. So let me know what kind of content y'all want to see in the near future. And if this video did help you, and if it didn't help you, just give me some feedback below. I ain't pressed for the feedback, but it is really important to me. So if you feel like you want to let me know how you feel, let me know. 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 And also follow me on other social media platforms such as TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. I promise I won't be so annoying. Bye, y'all. Oh, hold on. Before we go, if you want to get you some merch, Prod Family merch, this is the link right here. And if you want to get you some Prod Squad merch because you just don't want to wear no Prod Family merch, this is the link to that. Your attention is so valued. Thank you for it.